Did you know beer has been enjoyed for over 5,000 years? It's not just a drink, it's a rich history in a glass, made from 4 simple ingredients: water, malt, hops, and yeast. Each one plays a vital role in the flavor and aroma that we experience. From ancient Mesopotamia to today's craft breweries, brewing has evolved into a beloved art form. There are countless styles of beer, from crisp lagers to rich stouts, each offering its own unique flavor profile and experience. The brewing process begins with mashing, where grains are soaked in hot water to extract sugars. This creates a sweet liquid called wort, which is the foundation of all beer. Hops are then added, introducing bitterness and aroma, balancing the sweetness of the malt. After boiling, yeast is introduced and fermentation begins, converting those sugars into alcohol and carbonation. This magical transformation is what gives beer its refreshing quality. So, as you enjoy that cold beer, take a moment to appreciate the thousands of years of craftsmanship and tradition that have gone into creating this beloved beverage.